In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your website from Dreamweaver. We'll walk through the exact settings you need and the small checks that make publishing smooth and stress-free. Start by launching Dreamweaver on your device. Once it's open, look to the right-hand panel where you see your site files. Click the folder name there and choose Manage Sites. This is where Dreamweaver keeps all the connection information for your projects. Create a new site by selecting New Site. In the Site Setup window, move to the Servers section, then click the plus icon to add a new server. This is where you'll enter the hosting connection details provided by your web host. Give the server a clear, descriptive name so you recognize it later. For the connection type, choose FTP or SFTP. If your host supports SFTP, that's usually the more secure option. In the address field, enter the server address from your host. It often looks like ftp.yourdomain.com. Enter your FTP or SFTP username, then your password. You can save the password for convenience, but if you're on a shared computer, it's safer to leave that unchecked. Set the port number. For SFTP, this is typically 22, and you should only change it if your host specifies a different one. Next, enter the root directory on the server where your site files belong. Hosts often use public HTML or www. If you're unsure, check your hosting documentation or ask support, because publishing to the wrong folder can make your site appear missing. Add your site's full web URL as well, such as http www.example.com, so Dreamweaver can map links correctly. Click the Test button to verify the connection. If Dreamweaver confirms it can connect, click Save to store your settings. If the test fails, carefully recheck your address, username, password, and port for typos. Make sure the Files panel is visible. If you don't see it, go to Window, then Files. In this panel, your local site appears on the left and your remote server appears on the right once connected. To publish, click the up arrow icon labeled Put. Dreamweaver may ask if you want to upload all files and their dependencies. Confirm to include any linked assets like images and style sheets, and let the transfer complete. When it's finished, visit your site's URL in a browser to confirm everything looks right. If updates don't appear immediately, refresh or clear your cache. That's it. You've successfully uploaded your website from Dreamweaver.